Complete the following with do or does for questions and don't or doesn't for negative sentences. Click pause if you need more time. 1. Do you speak Italian? 2. She doesn't like meat. 3. He doesn't eat pasta. 4. Does your sister go to a dentist? 5. Does he have any brothers? 6. We don't play football. 7. They don't like to watch movies. 8. Do your parents play golf? 9. It doesn't sleep in the garden. 10. I don't eat carrots. 11. Does Steve write books? 12. He doesn't go on vacation. 13. Does she study Spanish? 14. We don't live in Thailand. 15. Does he talk to his cousin? 16. His parents don't drink coffee. 17. Do you play the piano? 18. Do they go to church? 19. I don't fix cars. 20. She doesn't have a gaming console. 21. We don't do crosswords. 22. Do you draw pictures? 23. Do they speak 3 languages? 24. She doesn't listen to the radio. 25. He doesn't have a dictionary. 26. We don't walk in the park. 27. They don't go to the gym. 28. Do they go to the movies? 29. Do you like my shoes? 30. I don't want to go. 31. We don't sleep in the afternoon. 32. He doesn't work at a bank. 33. Does she work at the library? 34. Do you ride a bike to school? 35. Mark doesn't read the newspaper. 36. Helen doesn't need my help. 37. I don't agree with you. 38. We don't like spiders. 39. Do you understand? 40. I don't have any money. I hope you found this exercise about do, does, don't, and doesn't useful. Have an awesome day.